If you own a 2015 or newer Dodge, Jeep, or Ram vehicle and are looking to complete aftermarket tuning, your vehicle will require an unlocked computer to get that done. Luckily for you, DiabloSport has you covered with 3 different ways to tune your ride. The first option would allow you to pull your factory PCM and send it in to be unlocked by DiabloSport. After filling out the mail-in form, our tech support team will contact you and set up the rest of the details. Another option is a PCM Swap Kit. These kits come with an inTune i3 or Trinity 2 tuner and a one-time cross shipment of an unlocked PCM directly to your door. If you live in the continental US, we will include a return shipper label to send back your stock PCM to complete the core swap. This is a very affordable option if you're looking for a tune but not needing to keep a spare computer. The last option is a performance kit. This setup is pretty simple, as each kit comes with an inTune i3 or a Trinity 2 tuner and an unlocked PCM for you to keep. This option will allow you to have an unlocked PCM without sending your stock computer in. To find out more about tunes, upgrades, and what products might be right for you, go to DiabloSport.com.